Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 1 of the weekly check-in for April, and the dates that we are going to be going over, because you can't really see it because the stickers are a little bit too light, it's going to be from the 2nd and through the 8th. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing on your weekly check-in. And if you are new, my name is Shirley. I welcome you to my channel. I do a lot of budgeting and grocery hauls, and just let me know if you are new. We are going to be using the Erin Condren planner. It is the 7.9 deluxe planner, and if you want your first Erin Condren planner, the link will be down below. I get $10 off and you get $10 off of your first purchase, so let me know if you are interested in that. Alright, so let's do our no spins like we do all the time. And I don't think I have any more no spin. Well, I think I still have a little bit left. Yeah, I have a little bit left, so I really do need to go to Tempest XOXO Designs on Etsy and go and get some more no spins, because I am truly out of it after probably this week. Alright, so let's do the no spins. We have one on the 6th. And then one on the 8th. So all I have is 2 no spin days, and that is on the 6th and on the 8th. So it's not like how we did last week, but you know what? That is fine, you guys. Alright, so let's just go to Thursday. So that is on the 2nd. So let's see. On the 2nd, actually on the 2nd we did not spend anything also. I forgot to write that down in, because it looks like I started on the 3rd on my cheat sheet, but it's actually on the 2nd I had a no spend also. So I had 3 no spend days, so that is awesome. Alright, so Friday, I worked late, I know that, and then I bought some leggings, which is right here. It's $20. And I needed a pair of leggings because, you know, we go walking outside and everything, and my other leggings are super old, you guys. Let me just tell you, they're old and I needed a new pair. So I bought some and they were $20. And that is it on that Friday. Coming up on that Saturday is, everybody knows, if you are a regular or if you are new, on Saturdays we usually do grocery hauls, and we do our gas and like anything that fun money, which consists of like newspaper or something like that. So that is what we do on Saturday. Alright, so for groceries, we spent $44 at Walmart. So we just bought some essentials, mainly a lot of baking stuff, because I did bake a cake over the weekend, which was really good, you guys. I'm just saying, it was really good. Alright, and then we got gas. So gas, I only spent $10, so gas is really cheap. I know last weekly check-in I asked y'all how much y'all's gas was, and it was interesting to see how much everybody's gas was. Like one of them, I think in California, I got a comment saying that it was under $4, which is still crazy. But when I checked today, it was actually $1.60 right now, so still crazy, you guys. But it's slowly going down, which is awesome. Alright, moving on to the 5th, I bought some Easter stuff. So I did my fun money, so I spent $21 in Easter. For Easter, so I just bought some stuff for my nieces and nephew. And then for Amazon, I did buy some stuff off of Amazon, which are just gifts that I bought. So that was $25. And let's see. I think that is it. Yes, so that is it for Amazon. On the 6th, I was actually working, so that was a no spend. And then on Tuesday, I was off, but I did go to Target. And I used my sinking funds, and I used my gift sinking fund. So I just spent $5, the $5 that was left to finish off the Easter. So that was just $5 taken out from our sinking funds. Alright, I'm going to just flip over, and we're just going to go over it real quick before we flip to the weekly check-in paid. So Thursday was a no spend. Leggings I bought for $20 on Friday. Saturday was Walmart for $44, which is groceries. Gas was $10. Easter was $21. Amazon was $25. A no spend on Monday. And then gifts was $5 to finish off the Easter. And then there was a no spend for Wednesday, which was the last day. All right, moving on. So for groceries, like I said, we spent $44. Gas, we spent $10. Should be $40 left. Fun money, we spent $21, so I should have $19. Cushion, I spent $20 and $25, making it $45. And then sinking funds, I spent $5, making it $1,450 left in that. And then groceries should be 100 minus 44 will equals to $56. And then cushion, I have $100 minus $45 will equals to $55. All right, and then you know that the last thing that we do is count our cash envelopes to make sure that it is right and we have the same exact numbers for the remaining as we do on the cash envelopes. All right, so cash envelopes. So for groceries, there's 20, 40, 50, 55, and 56. So that is right. Gas, we were looking for $40 left. 20 and 40. And then fun money, we are looking for $19. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So that is $19 left. And that is it. So everything that is in our cash envelope matches our remaining of the week. So we have one more week before we get paid. So I hope y'all have a great week. Let me know how y'all are doing. And yeah, so be sure to subscribe down below and hit that notification and make sure you hit that bell so you will be notified every time I upload. I am so happy that y'all could support me in any way possible, and I will go and support you also if you have a channel. Just let me know down in the description or in the comments, not description, but the comments, you guys. Just let me know down below if you are new to YouTube and if you have a channel, because I will go and check you out and subscribe to you and we can get to know each other. All right, you guys, I will see you guys later. Bye.